Hello and thank you for coming to check out this video. I've been saying for a while now that I'm going to be doing another giveaway due to the growth on my channel and just because I feel like doing a giveaway. But I know not everybody who comes to this channel is primarily a collaboration engineer, so maybe they mess around with collaboration a little bit or they're thinking about getting into collaboration. So I'll have some giveaways that go for those folks as well. But I'm only giving away one book. And then also I'll talk about how I do the giveaway. So if you haven't participated in any of the giveaways before, make sure you listen to how I do it at the end of this video. All right, so we're going to do the Collaboration Core book, the CCNA library. I'll also put on a CCNP Enterprise Core exam, and then also we'll do CCNP Security Core book. That should, meet a lot of different people out there that, maybe dabble in collaboration, but they are primarily in security or primarily in the enterprise network or whatever else it might be. So now if you haven't participated in any of the giveaways I've done in the past, I'll go ahead and explain it here. First, I do this video announcing what I'll be giving away, and I request that people comment down below what it is you're looking for. So what I'll say is just comment down below hashtag CCNA or hashtag CCNP, and depending on which type of CCNP, I'll put the hashtags in the description of the video. But even if you only put in a hashtag CCNP and you happen to be the name that I pull, when I email you, I will ask you, hey, which CCNP were you looking for? Now you know that part. You know that you have to comment down below, hashtag CCNA or hashtag CCNP, whatever it is that you're looking for. I will eventually I will go through all the comments and get a whole list of all the people and what they commented, what they were looking for. I'll randomize that list, and I'll do another video with the randomized list announcing, who was the first person in the list, and I'll give them 1 day to reach out to me to claim their giveaway. If they don't respond the next day, the second place person is the runner-up, so they might get it. And if neither the first or the second person on the third day, the third person can be selected. So even if you're in 10th place or 100th place, make sure that you reach out and say, hey, here's my information. Now on the giveaway videos like this one, I'm going to blast it out on social media. I'll put it in a lot of different Facebook groups. I'll put it in maybe on Twitter, maybe Reddit. But when I actually do the drawing, I am not going to blast that out because, I don't want to, notify everybody that, hey, it's time. I want it to be sort of like a, you gotta be ready. You gotta be watching. You gotta be paying attention. And so maybe next week sometime when I do the video drawing people's names, I will post the video, but you're going to want to be subscribed to my channel. You're going to want to have the notifications turned on so you know when that video is posted. All right, so now I'm kind of rambling on. I'm going to go ahead and close the video out here, and good luck to everybody. I'll see you in the next video.